In order to create a bridge in virt-manager, you need two packages, bridge utils and nm2e. In Fedora, nm2e is part of the network manager 2e package. So you start nm2e. By the way, you need an Ethernet connection if you want to create a bridge for virt-manager. You go to edit a connection. Now you have here Ethernet connection and default virt-manager network. You can go to add bridge. This is all input by default. You can just leave it. What you need to do is add your Ethernet connection to your bridge. Okay. Now just go down and okay. But in order for your bridge connection to work, you have to delete your Ethernet connection. So you go to edit and delete. And then you just wait for a bridge connection to connect. And then you go back and just quit. Now, if you look, you have your Ethernet connection that doesn't have IP address, and you have your new bridge connection that has gotten the IP address from the Ethernet port. And if you go to, I don't know, YouTube, you will have your connection through that bridge. Now, if you go to virt-manager and go to the virtual machine settings, under network, bridge device, and it automatically recognizes the bridge you created. Then you click apply. Now both your computer and virtual machine are connected through that bridge that you created. If you look the bridge, and the virtual machine, they both have the same address from the same virtual network.